parametric filters. I showed you how to save them, but I didn't show you how to use them. So under here, we have these parametric filters. They're pretty cool. I can just kind of click.
Brand new too, right?
Boom. Brand new. This is in the beta version only. We'll have all these things that I can do to change the blur intensity or the angle, right? Or I could even maybe take off the intensity so I'm normal. And you'll see down here, there's also transform. I can like transform. I'm zooming in and out. So I could do something like a 0.2 and I have a Z card. Boom.
Oh, okay. Oh,
right?
I haven't played with this yet. This is cool.
Then I can come back here and there's other ones. There's on the bottom here, there's like a sticker filter. Boom. I can turn off the back. So you'll see I have I'm like a sticker now. I've always wanted to be a sticker. And you know, you're a sticker. Wouldn't you want to be a sticker too? Now you can. And I can just keep clicking. You'll see they're all smart filters, right? So if you know what a smart filter is, right, it makes there's filters that are smart.
Back to the main menu each time?
But a smart filter just kind of makes it so it's always adjustable, right? I never have to worry about overriding something. What was the question?
How do you get back to the main menu each time?
Well, I put it in my little tabs here, but right here you'll see the main menu. So there's the filters, the properties, then there's the menu.
Right.
And we'll come down to, let's say, what else is there? Vintage. That's how I look vintage. You know, that's how I look
1970
old school. You know?
Yeah.
You know, just in case you want to look like old or
need me help.
Yeah. And then what's really cool, there's also a rain filter. What? Make it rain, boys and girls.
Dollar bills.
Strength of the rain. I could have more rain density. I could change the angle of the rain. I mean, it's kind of crazy. I can make it darker so it doesn't look, you know, it's like a real worse day in the rain, right? Lower the highlights.
Great.
And I can also randomize. So I could randomize all these filters again and again, and I can copy this number. So if I like this one, but I want to try a couple more, I'll press Command X to cut. I'll randomize a few more times. Maybe I like another one. I'll memorize that number. Or I could just come in here and delete and paste in this number and press Enter. And it goes back to that random selection I had before. How cool is that?
That is so cool.
So I have a question. If you jump to say oil painting, does it start completely fresh or does it add some elements of, say, the rain with the oil paint?
That's a great question and you know what my next stop was? I mean, that person is like, wow, mind reader. Oil painting.
Nice.
Same thing. I can randomize. Again, I can memorize those strokes. I can, directional painting. I can make it a sketch. Right, a lot of things. And of course, I can change the intensity there.
Oh, wow.
Change the details, change the size of the stroke, the highlights of the stroke. I mean, it's just like, it's too many things for me to change.
Nice.
But pretty neat, huh?
Yeah, it's very cool.
Yeah. Let's go back to the oil paint and come here. And there's this transform, and I can scale myself. If I scale myself here, you'll see it. Now it's big. And I can then change this offset. It's kind of... I'm not sure why I need to. I could probably just keep it whole and then zoom into the spot, but it's like a zoomed in spot of the photo. And I could just kind of offset that or move it a little bit to kind of maybe make it centered or so. Right.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, neat. Yeah. Pretty sweet.
Okay. Play with that this weekend. Of course,
I could randomize, so everything is kind of generating again and again and again. All right. So we got into the parametric filters, which is in the beta. And then, of course, we did generative fill and generative expand, which is in Photoshop right now, 2024. Hope that helped. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and give a thumbs up.